there are a lot of gifts to choose, but I feel that this year what is worthy for Christmas is this selection that is from TYPO. I kind of like the box you have been gifted. It kind of feels like a Santa Claus coming to send you a post and you practically just ordered the stuff by yourself. So inside there are a few things that I would like to talk about. This is a snow globe of the Grinch. I really like the series of the Grinch because it is a really pretty white snow globe that I'll be showing later. And next, another thing that is a new addition is 25 Days to Christmas includes 25 countdown cards. And one thing, if you are really into pen pal sending cards, this card is a last year edition of the Grinch. I think this year they added a few series of the Grinch card. And the other gift that I purchased is actually the cup that I find it's beautiful because firstly it has this picture of the Grinch smiling with that evil grin, and he's just saying, just here for the presents. I think everyone can't really resist having Grinch as the cartoon character, and it's really beautiful in terms of the gift set that I have purchased over here. So basically, let me just open up the snow globe so that you can have a better look. They kind of give a bit of a protection so that it's well protected. So now I'm taking out the snow globe. I think for Christmas season, having a snow globe is an essential, and it's really beautiful because of the silver words that they use for Merry Grinchmas. It's a funny pun for Merry Christmas. And when you shake it, it is really beautiful because it's like the Grinch and the little dog is having a wonderful time for Christmas season. I mean, that's the beauty of the snow globe. As for the 25 Days to Christmas, the Grinch, I kind of like it because it gives a very cute countdown to looking forward. As today is the 15th, you kind of can select the number that goes according to the date. So it's 15. So I can get ready by putting the cards behind to start the countdown. So it says, "Oh, Grinchy Claus is back." Doesn't it makes you look forward to Christmas by counting down every day you're changing the card, getting ready for Christmas? Hi, so are there any other stuff that I have purchased? I did bought a jacket from POMELO. I kind of like its woolen fabric texture and the roses design. When I wear it, it has a very Christmas vibe, and I'm looking forward to wear it. And the other clothes that I purchased in POMELO is this nicely designed of the flower on the fabric, and I kind of altered the pants so that it's not that long. It's really good sales. And then in Sephora there was this Black Friday with the Wood Sage Jo Malone perfume. It's definitely worth it. I think it probably will last throughout the year. so that I can use it for my book. Other than that, I think what's essential is the Pore Professional that I need to use for the primer. And they give about 20% discount. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to use it for my daily makeup. What do we do for Christmas? Actually, the best time and best thing to do is to write mails for pen pals, and I kind of want to share like especially this one is from Australia, and I like the way that the person writes my name in a very nice way and using these green leaves as the design. It's a very Christmassy vibe. Yeah. Then from Japan, she really is very creative. She uses the snow background for the Christmas cards, and I love the stamps. It's really a good combination. Yeah, so basically anyway, this is what she did prepare a card. Yeah, I think she wrote in English, which I mean I'm thankful. Her name is Saya. I think at that time she was 29 years old, and look at how cute the washi tape that she pasted. Yeah. Okay, so then this one is from America, USA. I really like the Christmassy vibe that she pasted all sorts of stickers, especially Snoopy. She's really creative now. So yeah, so basically what she placed in the envelope, I think this envelope is really very Christmassy. It contains stickers, and she wrote on this piece of paper. I think it's really very, how to say, conventional, using grid lines, grid boxes to write, and it's really classic. It matches the whole Christmas vibes in it. I think as pen pals, that's what you want to see as a Christmas theme to it. And this one is from Japan itself. Okay, another one, this one, she's really a very artistic person, so the way she drew the plants and my name is based on her talent. Yeah, she really has a talent to design work. This is her own work, which I truly appreciate it. And every time the way she writes her messages is very artistic. Yeah, so I mean, I really like art. And so now the key question is, how do I do my envelope? So this envelope is one that I'm going to mail out soon. I covered the address so that you won't know like what's the address, but I pasted this stamps this time around, and stamps tells already a lot of stories, like about the Singapore hawker culture, and this is the Singa kindness movement of Singapore. So I pasted this cute food stickers that is very Japanese on a transparent paper, and then you can tell what's inside the content by just looking through it. It kind of make people feel very looking forward to it. So actually I kind of mailed a letter card, Christmas card for myself, because I think it's hard for people to really know what you like, and I kind of like food on my kind of Christmas card. So what I did was I also had the card placed in the Christmas transparent plastic, and this is the card that I bought. It's actually, I think, from 1973.uk on a sustainable paper. So basically, I'm just going to do a simple demonstration about how to do the envelope. So immediately, I will be pasting the address using a double-sided tape, and then what kind of things I can add actually. In fact, I think just very simple stuff. Pasting polka dots all over onto your note over here. It gives a Christmas vibe because of the pink, green, pink, green, and basically you can just use black marker and just write in a very stylish way and put address. And then after that, what do? You can paste this washi tape of a Christmas theme. These are gotten from IKEA. So I would like to show the whole vibe of the Christmas scene and paste it below over here. Then after that, I think first of all, to find a suitable stamp, you probably have to look at the vibe. I think this is very retro, and this too. Okay, in order to adjust, I think it's switch. Yeah, I think that is nice.